Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Gharat and I am going to present on the topic of size exclusion chromatography. So let's start with introduction. Size exclusion chromatography is also known as gel filtration chromatography or molecule sieve chromatography. It is a chromatographic method in which molecules in solution are separated based on their size. It is usually applied to larger molecules or macromolecular complex. Larger molecules cannot or can only partially penetrate the pores, whereas smaller molecules can access most or all pores. Thus, larger molecules elute first and smaller molecules elute later. Principle: in this technique, separation is done on the basis of their size or molecular weight. This differs from other separation techniques which depends upon chemical or physical interaction to separate analytes. It works by trapping smaller molecules in the pores of the adsorbent material. The larger molecules simply pass by the pores because those molecules are too larger to enter the pores. Larger molecules therefore flow through the column more quickly than smaller molecules. Component of size exclusion chromatography: stationary phase, mobile phase, pump, injector, column, detectors. These are 6 components used in size exclusion chromatography. Stationary phase. Stationary phase consists of semi-permeable porous beads with well-defined range of pore size. The semi-permeable porous beads are cross-linked polymers. Degree of cross-linking is controlled carefully to yield different pore size. Mobile phase. The liquid used to dissolve the biomolecules to make the mobile phase is usually called a buffer. The choice of mobile phase to be used in any separation will depend on the type of separation to be achieved and component to be separated. Columns. Separation of the samples takes place inside the column, a hollow tube tightly packed with extremely small porous beads. The typical column diameters are 7.5 to 8 mm for analytical column and 22 to 25 mm for preparative columns. Usual column length are 25, 30, 50 and 60 centimeters. Injectors. Injector introduce the polymer sample into the flowing solvent stream. It is important that the injector does not disturb the flow of mobile phase. Pump. The pump takes the solvent and delivers it to the rest of system at a constant, accurate and reproducible flow rate. A highly constant flow rate has to be maintained during the entire chromatogram. This is a very important in size exclusion chromatography. Most pumps can only reproduce the flow rate to 0.2 to 0.3%. Types of pumps used in size exclusion chromatography are series pump and reciprocating pumps. Detectors. Detector measures concentration alone. Detector response is proportional to concentration and other properties of the polymer molecules. The detectors used in size exclusion chromatography are concentration sensitive detectors and molar mass sensitive detectors. Advantages of size exclusion chromatography: short analysis time, well defined separation, narrow band and good sensitivity, there is no sample loss, the small amount of mobile phase required, the flow rate can be set. Disadvantages of size exclusion chromatography: limited sample volume, the limited number of peaks that can be resolved, filtration must be performed before using the instrument, the molecular masses of most of the chain will be too close for the GPC separation to show anything more than broad peaks. Application. The first application of size exclusion chromatography is proteins fractionation. Exclusion chromatography is one of a number of methods commonly used to study the reversible binding of ligands to a macromolecules. Second, purification. The main application of exclusion chromatography is in the purification of biological macromolecules. Viruses, proteins, enzymes, and polysaccharides have all been separated and purified by use of appropriate gels. Third, molecular weight determination. The eluent volume of globular proteins are largely determined by their molecular weight. 4. This technique can be determine the quaternary structure of purified proteins. 5. Desalting. By use of a column of Sephardex G25, solution of high molecular weight compound may be desalted. The high molecular weight substances move with the void volume while the low molecular weight component are distributed between the mobile phase and hence move slowly. Thank you.